What if there was a way to make money just by pressing a button? Yes, you read that right. Touch a button once for 50 cents, then press it twice for $1. Doesn't that sound fantastic? What if you had unlimited opportunities to do it every day? Consider how much money you could make just by pressing a few buttons on your phone or computer and earning money with no prior expertise or abilities. This method is absolutely free and accessible from any location on the planet. If you don't pay attention to the exact tips I'll provide you during the video, you won't be able to make any money. But before we start, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. The website that we will be using to make money online today is Paidera.com. Before you go to the website and try to figure things out on your own, I strongly recommend that you watch this video first because it covers a lot of ground, including how to sign up for free, bonus tips for making more money faster, and step-by-step instructions. Take a look at Paidera.com, which will pay you for completing surveys. Converting your time can make you money, and the payout is relatively quick. You can expect fast cash on the first day, and this service is available worldwide, so there are no country restrictions. You can do it on your phone or on your computer, of course. This is why I like this website so much. You can start cashing out your money right away if you reach the minimum payout requirement of $5. They have an infinite amount of jobs for you to accomplish every day. There are no limits to how much money you can make in a single day. If you can stick with me to the end of this video, I'll show you a secret trick that you can start using right away to make money over and over again by simply clicking a few buttons. As you can see, there are a variety of ways to generate money on Paidera.com. You may join up for different tasks, complete surveys, upload videos, invite and recommend friends to earn money, write articles, and so much more, all on one website. They have over 100,000 members, have done over 1 million tasks, and have handed out over 1,000 rewards to people all around the world. Stay tuned because I'll show you how to make money in the same way I did. Take a look at the people who are generating money off of this website. They're thrilled to tell you about their experience. This is payment proof confirming they did really receive money from this website. On this platform, people from all over the world are generating money over and over again. I can practically show you hundreds of payment proofs, indicating that this is definitely working. Simply click the blue button at the top, create an account, and you'll be led to this page where you can sign up for a free account and start earning money. You may join today and make more money than other people if you follow this strategy. To sign up and make an account, enter your name, username, email address, and password. Then click Sign Up and create an account. It's as simple as that. Now that you've completed the registration process, you can begin earning money by doing surveys, downloading applications, performing tasks, inviting friends, uploading videos, and a variety of other activities, all of which I'll show you how to do. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now quickly, I'd like to show you some of the samples. Once you've created an account, you may start completing surveys like these and earning money. You can take part in a number of different surveys. They add fresh surveys to their system on a daily basis. You can see new surveys appear by using the refresh button. I understand what you're thinking. The surveys here are just worth a few cents, but this is where the magic happens. I'll show you how to make money by pressing buttons. Let me give you an example of how to do this survey. Simply click on Take Surveys, then click on this button right here, and you'll be taken to this page, and you can start doing surveys right now by clicking on buttons. The reality is that you don't have to answer any of them. All you have to do is click this button, start a survey, and they'll appear on this page. They'll start asking you questions once it's finished loading. Simply answer the questions. So just make sure you respond. Let's proceed down below and click the next button. They'll open the web page and scroll down to continue. You're not required to answer any questions on this page. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Continue. Now, the reason why I enjoy this website is that you may earn a few cents for each button you click, resulting in a few dollars when you click on many buttons. Simply click on whatever you choose for the following question, then scroll down and click on the next button. You can do this as many times as you like during the day. Every time you click a button, your account will receive a few cents. And the best thing about this is that you can do this again and again. How awesome is that? Now you can repeat this process for different surveys if you want to make even more money. They offer hundreds of surveys, and the best part about this website is that once you complete a few surveys, you can unlock surveys that pay twice as much. But that's a secret bonus tip that I've never heard anyone else mention. For example, instead of 50 cents per survey, you can make $1. And if you take other few surveys, you could make $2. You can keep double your money for every few surveys that you complete. So make sure you keep doing the same thing, and you might be wondering why this website is giving you money for simply clicking on buttons. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. They pay you money to click on buttons on their website so that they may display their adverts. If you look closely, you'll see similar advertisements across the pages of this website. They will make money if you accidentally click on them, as I will if I click on this one. And they want you to keep exploring their pages and clicking buttons in the hopes that you will click one of these adverts, and they will profit. Basically, they're just sharing the results of their advertisement with you. Simply click on any of the answers and scroll down to the bottom to click on Next when they ask you a random question. This is how this website makes money as well. They want people like you and me to sign up, then push buttons, fill out surveys, and make money on this website. And if we do it correctly, they'll profit from the paid adverts on their site as well. That is a win-win situation. The prudent course of action is to disregard the advertisement. It is not necessary for you to click on them. On this website, you can do a variety of jobs and earn money repeatedly by just clicking on buttons. And this is available worldwide. You can work on this platform and have unlimited access to everything inside Paidera, regardless of your country. Anyone can do it, and you may work as much as you like. The more time you put in, the more surveys you'll be able to complete, and the more money you'll make. Finally, once you've completed all of the surveys, you can keep taking them. After then, you can just hit the refresh button and wait for new surveys to arrive, which you can check on a frequent basis, or you can receive a message inside your account that will show you their most recent survey to complete. The key is to maintain using the method I just demonstrated. Continue making money by clicking on buttons. It is quite simple for you to get started. That's how you can earn free money with the method I just showed you. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.